What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this flawless install right here. And as you guys can see, we're doing no baby hair. And I'm going to show you how I got these super cute, relaxed body wave curls. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
The company I will be working with today is Ishow here. Here I'm showing you the packaging and what all came in the box. Of course, it came with the bag and the length and information of the wig. And I also got this cute band and some eyelashes. This is the wig. This is Ishow hair. This is their Brazilian body wave, and it is a 360 frontal. Here I'm showing you that it does comes with combs and adjustable straps. And I did go ahead and bleach the knots and plug the hairline off camera. I have plenty of customized videos. If you guys would like to see one, an updated one, just comment below. But yeah, you want to go ahead and put your lace on. And like I said, I already customized it off camera. So now I'm just going in and parting off any excess hair or lace that I will not be using because it comes too far down on my natural hairline. So if you have to do that, you want to go ahead and do that like so. And then once you pull out the amount of hair that you need, we're going to go ahead and get into our glueless install. To lay my wig down, I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray. I didn't want to go in with any adhesive or anything. I wanted a light hold. This did last me all day and will last me a couple more days. But I like to take my wigs off kind of almost every night or every other night, just depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah. You want to go ahead and spray your freeze spray like I did in between my thin section of hair and where my lace is actually going to start. And I'm just taking my blow dryer on low cool and just going to blow dry that until I feel like it's dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my ear tabs like so. This is a 360 unit, so I go back in and cut off the back of my lace off camera. I didn't film it because y'all, it was hard as hell to film that. But yeah. When going in and cutting off your excess lace with scissors or any razor or anything, but mainly with scissors, I like to go in and cut with a zigzag motion. I've learned over time that cutting straight across kind of leaves a indication of, you know, the wig and your scalp. So you want to try to make it as seamless as possible. We are going for a illusion. So as you guys can see, I cut off the excess lace with scissors and a zigzag motion, and then I'm just going back in with the Got To Be Freeze Spray and relaying down my ear tabs. So I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side, and then we are going to get into the styling. Now, before I get into styling, I'm going to tie my hair down with this elastic band. I got this elastic band from my local Walmart or Home Depot, either one of them. You can even get them probably from Dollar General. Just get half an inch to an inch roll of elastic and just cut it into strips. Now I'm just going to take my hot comb and just press out the top of my hair. You want to make sure everything is flat and laid down. I did have it kind of flat when I had those two braids up front, but like I said, I had took those out before I had did the install. So now I'm just going back in and pressing everything back out with my hot comb. Once that's good, I'm going to go in and detangle the hair, and now we're going to get into styling. I'm just going to do some light curls. I didn't want no big bouncy volume curls. I just wanted something that would be nice and loose once it dropped. I'm using my my Babyliss Pro Titanium straightener. Got it from Salad Beauty for about 80 bucks, I believe, and I've had it for about a year or two now. Works like a charm. But as you guys can see, I'm just curling away from my face to get the look that I was going for. If you want different curls, you can curl towards your face, but for more of a feathered volume look, you kind of want to curl away from your face. And it would look even better if you go in and cut layers, but me being lazy, we're not going to do that. So we're speeding up on the other side. It was the same process on the other side. Curl away from your face. Once you get that done, you want to go ahead and take the elastic band off, and then we'll be finished. All right, guys, this is the finished look, y'all. The lace is melted, sis. Melted, period. Like, no baby hairs, and we're melted. And the curls were giving me life. I just did a light, finger comb through them. And yes, honey, vibes. Like, innocent, cute, sweet. And again, this is Ishow hair. This is their Body Wave 360 lace wig. It did come in 24 inches, and it is 180 density. Y'all, get into that lace, though. Get into that hairline, sis. Yes. I plucked the shit out of this. Did I or did I not? I did. But again, this is Ishow hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.